Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to open this application which is named Clock. Then click on this plus which is located on the right edge, and as a first thing, set up the time when you want the alarm to ring. For example, I will choose 8 AM. And the next thing that you can customize here is the date when the alarm will ring. For example, because 8 AM today have been passed, it will ring tomorrow. And by clicking on this calendar, you can choose the date when the alarm will ring. Next thing that we can set up right here that the days when the alarm will repeatedly ring. For example, I will set Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That means all of the weekdays, and every week on these exact days the alarm will ring. You can customize it or turn off every day so the alarm will ring only one time. Next thing that we can set here is the alarm name. For example, wake up alarm. Now we can also see alarm sound, vibration, and snooze. By clicking on each of this, you can change it. For example, the vibration, right here, the loudness of vibration, you can even disable it, customize it as you like. And also we can choose the alarm background by clicking on this tab right here. We would need to allow Clock to access photos and videos on this device, and we would be able to add any background that we want. For example, I will add these headphones, and this is how my background will look while the alarm rings. And that's it. We are clicking done and save, and the alarm is now here and it will ring in 17 hours and 10 minutes. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.